Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an Azure subscription, proper RBAC rights, and a service principal. Once authenticated with AzLogin, make sure to set the correct subscription context so commands target the right tenant. Create a resource group now and generate a service principal with contributor rights. You will need the app ID, password, and tenant for later steps. These credentials are how Azure Latch Aiku will authenticate, so store them securely in a vault or encrypted file before proceeding to deployment. With credentials ready, deploy the Latch Aiku resources using an ARM template, Bicep, or Terraform. Choose the template that matches your environment. As you deploy, enable a system-assigned managed identity and grant it key vault access so secrets flow securely. Configure networking. Attach to your VNet subnet and set NSG rules for allowed ports. Once the service is provisioned, apply runtime configuration, region, SKU, scaling rules, and verify resource dependencies are correct to avoid startup race conditions during initialization. After deployment, validate functionality by running health probes and hitting the API endpoints. Check log analytics and diagnostic settings for startup logs. Once validated, automate future deployments with CI/CD pipelines. Commit templates, run pipeline to deploy to staging, then promote to production. For troubleshooting, if the service won't start or secrets are missing, verify the service principal and managed identity permissions. Ensure key vault access policies exist, and confirm VNet service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.